snake strike is literally move faster than blink an eye. Whipping is head forward as quick that it can experience acceleration of more than 20 gs. Such status coming from a study of how a snake lands, bites, and kills. Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video, the snake kung fu tutorial. The snake strike faster than blink eye. The first basics, snake strike. One hand atop the other, strike with a wrong directions and switchings. This snake strike technique can use for attack. Also can use for defense. Someone punch you and come back to attack. Move like a flowing water. Coming together and move left and right half circle. The second basics is sweep kick. Sweep kick comes from low kick. The low kick is very simple, powerful, very straightforward. Used by for many martial arts. The purpose of a sweep kick is to attack someone's ankle or their leg. So sweep very low. For sweep kick, normally we use a hook to start first, and to lift your heel up, to twist your body all the way to the other side, and you got heel down, and you move your toes. Then you go drop. As low as you can. Go sweep to attack. Ankle or their knees. The snake kick is just like a snake strike. If your hand is the snake height and your kick, just like a snake tail. The roundhouse kick. Your body twists to this way. Once you twist your waist, can generate much more power. Lift your knee and kick. Can broken bones are broken the necks. That's all for today for the snake tutorial. You're learning the snake strike. Also, you're learning the snake kicks. I hope you enjoyed. I love you all. I see you in next video. And bye bye.